How to write multiple lines in one cell in Excel. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to write multiple lines using one cell on Microsoft Excel. So first thing that you need to keep in mind is the command Alt plus Enter. This is how you will be able to achieve the multiple lines in one cell here in this software. So for example, in one subject, you do have a subtopic under it. For example, under math, you do have, let's say, something to do like exam, project, and also a group reporting. So all you have to do is type in the first thing that you need to do, and then do the command Alt plus Enter. So just click on Alt and then Enter. Then you will be able to write the next topic or next subtopic on another line. Same goes as the other subtopics or the subjects that you have for the day. And then once you have written all the things that you have done, you just need to click on enter, and then that's how you will be able to achieve multiple lines in one cell using the Microsoft Excel software. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.